Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and today this is day 5 of our short videos, and today we're looking at resilience. So as part of being resilient, and in order to achieve success, you need to have high levels of resilience. So when was the last time you wrote down a list of what you wanted to achieve in life? Or are you that sort of person that drifts through life going from one opportunity to another without really much forward thinking or planning? To have success, you need to know what it is you want to achieve, and then you work back from there and plot your journey. Do you want to climb the career ladder? Do you want to escape to the country or have more time with your family? Success is different for everybody. So in order for you to build your resilience, you need to have firm goals in place. If you'd like to join us for our resilience workshop on the 4th of March, take a look in the comments section below for a link to get your tickets, and we'll see you then. Thanks very much.